Brood parasitism recorded at Pune from 7th floor flat of my son Abhishek. Brood parasitism is a strategic behavior to rely upon a host bird to raise the young ones of them. For this, cuckoos manipulate from the very beginning, that is, egg mimicry in terms of shape, size, coloration and the pattern of dots on the eggs. Parasitic birds have shorter incubation period and rapid growth of their chicks. Spotted one Asian Koel juvenile who was demanding food. The host mother, in this case house crow, arranges 2 chapatis for him. Realizing it is too big and too hard, breaks it, stakes it and takes it to water in order to soften it by soaking it in water. Koel juvenile was reluctant and disinterested in taking that food. Juvenile Koel again demands food from the host mother. The crow family started together thinking what to do in this case. They fed him some chapati again and tried to give him water. There was a very thin layer of rainwater which cannot be picked up by a straight beak. The intelligent crow bends his neck and arranges to pick some water and fed the juvenile again. Breaking, staking and soaking of chapati and the way he picked up water shows the bird intelligence. They were together for some time and then crow went to collect more chapatis from the nearby locality. Koel juvenile flew to the nearby fruiting tree to show his preference of food, a wonderful way of communicating it to the host mother. Juvenile also picked up some fruits. At least he tried. I could not see whether he was successful in that attempt or not. Understanding the need, the crow also came to the same tree and started picking up some fresh fruits. Juvenile could communicate his needs by actions.